I am Kelly Purnell, and I am a capital project manager in the Waterfront Project Management group. So we work on capital projects on the maritime side. Projects that I'm working on, other than the MInC that you see behind me, the Maritime Innovation Center, are cruise shore power over at T91 and Pier 66. We're redoing all of the electrical infrastructure over at the Maritime Industrial Center. Um, I'll be kicking off a marine maintenance job later this year, and just everything in between. We have a different perspective than some of our male counterparts, and I think it's a perfect balance, and we need that balance in every industry, especially the construction world, where women have been underrepresented for as long as there has been construction. They're cool jobs. They're really interesting to see physical infrastructure come to life. It's very tangible. It's something that a lot of people don't get to do, and the more women that we have doing something like that, the better. Something I want to leave behind at the port is that I got to build really cool stuff. We leave behind a legacy, especially in such a tangible world as construction. It's things that are going to store on for the next 100+ years. We want to do something really well with a lot of quality and a lot of integrity, and be good public stewards of our public funds by building things that matter to the community. I'm also looking forward to being a mentor to some of our younger PMs. I've already gotten to do a little bit of that, and I have an opportunity coming up to do a lot more. So I'm really looking forward to that, because I had some really good mentors as I was coming up in my career that I'm still friends with today, and were really instrumental in getting me started. So I'd like to pay that back a little bit with some of our young PMs.